Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about the Packhouse dashboard that we created here about Agri. The purpose of this dashboard is to give a very high level overview or summary of what is happening at the Packhouse currently. As you can see on the left hand side here just below the logo, we are looking at information relating to Black Hollow Farm, all the items for that farm at the Packhouse. Now if I were to choose a different farm, I can choose, let's say, Blomont Plus, and we will be using this as an example throughout the video. What I can see is happening with this dashboard is all the information related to that specified farm is going to display for me here. And what I'm going to do now is I can see the various varieties if I want to see what was happening with the Hass variety. And we can see that there's Fuerte and Maluma, so this is specifically for avocados. All the information will change for that specific orchard. I can choose the Fuerte and the same will apply. I can retrace my steps and everything will be applied for it. I can even work with the pack week. If I want to work with a specified pack week related to Blomont Plus, I can see what was packed in that specific week. And all the information will change accordingly. If I want to see for everything, I can just retrace my steps. Then at the bottom, on the left hand side, the packing information. This will give me a nice summary of what was packed and where it is lying and where in the Packhouse it is now currently. I can see the grade, I can see the pack number, very important, the brand, the quantity that was packed, the weight, and of course the origin, what was wasted, what was packed, and so on. Very, very important is the pallet number. So I can go retrace my steps far beyond in the Packhouse to see where the pallet and which fruits are on that pallet. I can click on it and the information will change. As you can see here, for this pallet, it was a grade 3, pack number this, the brand number, and the quantity is 28. And on the right hand side here, the histogram here will also indicate to me the number of items by origin. So I can see the total items were 28 and it's on this pallet number. I can just re-click on it and it will take my steps back. It will take me back to the way it was. Then on the top, I can see the size distribution. I can see that currently there's a distribution between the orchard variety of the Hass and the Fuerte, and it will just tell me which one is the most of it. Same will apply for the production summary based on the grade. I can see that there's about 50% for the grade 1 for the fruits of the avocados. Then the same will apply for the packing summary. Very important to indicate the waste, how much was wasted, the items that were wasted, delivered, and of course the total items delivered. This is just to give me a frequency of how the growth of the packing or the fruits came in to the Packhouse and how much was packed, and of course the weight for it.